Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced Features. Then you need to click on Dual Messenger at the bottom. Following that, just click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. As you can see, I have only Facebook available, so now I have to click on this switcher next to it and choose Install in DevOps app. Then choose Confirm. Enable or disable Use Separate Contact List by tapping on this switcher, and finally select Next. Then, if you decided to not create separate contact list, select Yes. And after that, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. In order to delete cloned app, go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Then select Uninstall and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!